Okay, Ozzy, have you been a naughty dog? Ozzy, have you been a naughty dog? Did you take off outside? Did you take off? Yeah, I know. You did, didn't you? What do you have to say about it? Ozzy, what do you have to say about it? Ozzy, what do you... Really? What do you have to say about it, Ozzy? Why were you being so naughty? What? No, don't... You hit the camera too! You both are little punks! You and Chopper hit the camera. Why? Why? Ozzy, have you been a naughty dog? Ozzy, you were bad for taking off. But why do they always hit the camera? Okay, Ozzy, bad. Do you have anything to say? Ozzy, do you have anything to say? Oh, give me the head, huh?
No, he's kidding. You're a good boy.
I'm kidding, Ozzy. Ozzy! Ozzy, just shake. Shake up, Ozzy, just shake.
Ozzy!
What? Ozzy, man, just shake. Shake up my arrow. You're such a good boy, Ozzy.
Good boy.
I'm kidding, but you did take off, so that's bad. Bad. Stop hitting the camera. Bad. Stop hitting the camera. Ozzy, what are you doing?
Do you like this?
What are you doing, Ozzy? What are you doing, Ozzy?
Yeah.
Whatever, I'm done with you, Oz. You're going viral.